Hello. What is your name?
My name is Adam.
Hi, Adam. My name is Sam.
Nice to meet you, Sam.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am new here.
Where are you from?
I am from the city.
Do you live near here?
Yes, I live near the park.
Is this park beautiful?
Yes, it is very beautiful.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I come here every day.
What do you do here?
I walk and relax here.
Do you like this park?
Yes, I like it very much.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What do you study?
I study English.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English a lot.
Do you have a job?
No, I am just a student now.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Is your brother older or younger?
He is younger than me.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family.
Is your family big?
No, it is a small family.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend.
What is your best friend's name?
His name is Tom.
Is Tom a student too?
Yes, he is a student.
Do you go to school together?
Yes, we go together every day.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea in the morning.
What time does school start?
School starts at 8 o'clock.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
Is the bus fast?
Yes, it is quite fast.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school very much.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you have homework every day?
Yes, I have homework every day.
Is the homework difficult?
Sometimes it is difficult.
Do you study at home?
Yes, I study at home every evening.
What time do you finish studying?
I finish at 9 o'clock.
Do you watch TV at night?
Yes, I watch TV for 1 hour.
What is your favorite TV show?
I like nature shows.
Do you use a phone a lot?
Yes, I use my phone every day.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have a laptop.
Do you play video games?
Sometimes I play games.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love sports.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Do you play football?
Yes, I play on weekends.
Are you good at football?
I am okay, not very good.
Do you exercise every day?
I try to exercise every day.
Do you like running?
Yes, I like running in the park.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I have a bicycle.
Do you ride your bicycle here?
Yes, sometimes I ride here.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like calm and happy music.
Do you play a musical instrument?
No, I do not play any instrument.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books.
What kind of books do you read?
I read simple English books.
Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, but I forget the name now.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like funny and adventure movies.
Do you go to the cinema?
Sometimes I go with friends.
Do you like cooking?
A little. I can make simple food.
What can you cook?
I can cook rice and eggs.
Do you eat lunch at home?
Yes, I usually eat at home.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Do you drink water every day?
Yes, I drink a lot of water.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, I love fruit.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, vegetables are good for health.
Do you sleep early?
I try to sleep before 11.
What time is good for you?
10 o'clock in the morning is good.
See you tomorrow, then.
Yes, see you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Take care.
You too. Have a good day.